Hi, Norbert here, and explaining in video number 31a how to recover the good old kitchen wood stove for energy use. This is the introductory video of Wednesday. The details will follow in the video of Saturday. Why do I want you to show this old-fashioned stove? First, because winter is coming, but maybe you need already heating now. Second, because this stove is multifunctional. The Italians call it the cucina economica, and that's because you can make food with it and also heat the house. It therefore saves fuel, and I say that even more things are possible than only cooking and heating the house.
Stai dicendo che vuoi trasformare il mio camino a legna?
Oh! Third is working on biofuel. That will give you flexibility and let you worry less about scarcity on the world markets of fuel. In an earlier video, I compared already the prices of pellets, wood and natural gas. So what's my added value to this old technology? I want to point out that it's a good time to recover this smart and multifunctional concept. If you still have such a stove, or you can find it on the second-hand market for a few €100, then look Saturday to my video. Second, I want to use it for central heating. And that's not so difficult if you consider that I have thermal energy storage. See video 25. And I can integrate it with that. And because this storage is on its turn integrated with my central heating system, and also because this storage has more than one source of heat, therefore you can imagine that's not too difficult to add just one more source of heat to this energy storage. And the advantage there is that I don't have to keep burning this stove all the time. And third added value is that you will see use me more than one type of biomass, not only wood. And then number 4, that's the fun part, but also useful. I put nearly pure oxygen into the firebox. That's not only fun, but it gives a quick start every morning.
And what will you show next Saturday?
I will show how I put in working order an old stove that has not been used for at least 40 years. And you will see how quick I can start cooking by using this optional oxygen generator. And then I will prepare a nice warm Italian minestrone. So let's start the energy transition from the bottom. Yes, that's us. That's also you. Please like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, and start to learn how to realize energy projects that you will not find in the shops. It was even difficult for me to find something about this stove on YouTube. I wish you good energy.